everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm making jin kep mu, or it's called pork rind. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. All I have is water, salt, and vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar you have in your kitchen. No picky on that part, okay? All right, and then I have the pork skin here. I got really lucky, went to grocery and found me a big chunk one. Okay, let's cook with me. Let's do it. Okay. After I cut all the pork skin already, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt first, and then vinegar, mix well. I'm gonna leave like about 15 minutes, okay? Okay, turn on the heat. Turn on the heat. Right now my heat is still on the high, okay, to get the pot hot. And then I go ahead and put my pork in. Go ahead and put the cup of water. Every time I cook, I'm so scared of the oil, okay? The hot oil scares me all the time, all my life. I always have to protect your eyeball with the glasses, any glasses, safety glasses. And also have one of the glass pot. You see how like the moisture, the water, sometimes they pop. But also protect yourself like this, okay? You're not professional, remember? You cook for your family, so safety always comes first. Especially your eye, okay? But look at that. See how beautiful it is? And it's like, how I do, you see, you have a lot of oil. See? You can use for cooking, stir fry, you know, like rice, anything. It's really give more flavor to your food too. And the oil is very clear. So see, this is perfect right now. A few more minutes, then I turn off the heat. What do you mean? Okay. Like 45 minutes, the water from the pork skin is dry out, so they don't pop as much, okay? But still wear your glasses all the time during you do fry anything with the oil, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead let my pork let them rest in the oil and go ahead turn off the heat. Let it to like 45 minutes to the hour or overnight, whatever you want, okay? But I'm gonna let my rest about like 45 minutes. Okay, after you wrap them good, take them out from the oil. Okay, turn the heat back on to medium high heat.ก็น้ำมันก็บ่เต้นมันเซาเต้นแล้วเพราะมันบ่มีน้ำจะเต้นเนาะมันแห้งแล้วมันก็บ่เต้นแล้วโอ้บัดนี้ต้องการจะตำบักหุ่งเด้อมาใส่น้ำนี่ขัดแท้ๆแล้วเขียบหมูแล้วเห็นบ่สีเหลืองงามกรอบอีกเด้คักเฮ็ดสุดใจเลยขึ้นครัวกับมันไปเมิด ลองเห็ดเบิ่งเด้อพวกเจ้าสิ่งหนึ่งเขายังต้องการตำมะคุงเนาะแต่ว่าไฮโซสกอนมาเขียบหมูนี่ขัดหอมแล้วบ่แล้วกรอบอีกเด้โอ้ลองสิมึงเนาะเบรกสกอนสิสแนปวันท่ามมึงเนาะงามของแท้เลยกรอบเอาไหมปั๊บนั่งยิ้มอ่ะแล้วค่อยเป็นคนมักกินน้ำมันมีน้ำมันพร้อมมีหนังพร้อมมางามลองเห็ดบึงเดอร์แซ่บหลายเค้กต้องการตำบักหุ่งเมื่อนาตำบักหุ่งให้ลองกินกับเขียบหมูอีกเนาะโอเค you guys thank you for watching thank you so much and I see you next video ขอบใจหลายๆเด้อโอเคลาก่อนบ๊ายบาย see you next time บ๊ายบายลาก่อน